So good. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing, Josue?
You know,
We were gonna be replacing this spoiler, or this lip, with that spoiler right there that Josue is holding. It comes from another is300, which is OEM. So we're gonna be replacing that. It's been a long time since I have it, but it's already getting really bended. And so I just want to change the look up. And so Josue is already taking off the tabs. Pretty easy to do with the flat screwdriver. So we're gonna be replacing that. Oh, by the way, before I forget, we already got the sweaters in for the drop. Looking pretty clean. Now, JD was officially the first one to buy one already. Literally like 5 minutes ago. Email Josue or DM me, Instagram, whatever, if you want one, so we can pre-order it for you. So, but they clean. We also have the shirts. But enough about this. Let's get back to the car. Got a full bolt. We're gonna do that to all of them. Guys, so Josue made a boo-boo. He accidentally dropped the ratchet inside of this spoiler. Now the only way to get it out, assuming
somewhere in there.
let's take this away. It got stuck in there. Now it finally dropped all the way inside there.
Now it's here, because before it was right here.
Exactly. Damn, that's gonna be hard to take off. Because I don't have the time to take this whole trunk off and flip it out so I can take it out, I'm just gonna leave it on there.
It's gonna be
every time we hear the noise, I'm gonna think of Josue. So we're just gonna take off this spoiler and go on with the show. So we gotta take this one off right here. Alright, this guy's not working. So what I'm doing, guys, difficult to explain why I'm working here, but I have to be very careful because it could fall in here, and once it gets stuck in here, these washers and these nuts are gonna make noise, so you don't want them to get stuck in here. From the last time I made the video, it was like making it noisy when the wind would hit it. So I put the tape on there so it wouldn't make any noise. Yeah. And then we're just gonna slowly rub. Damn, it's pretty good. Josue already got this painted. We just gotta go one more coat. Looks pretty good. Instead of having the pink on there, I don't think it was gonna look nice. So Josue thought of the idea, why not paint it? So I'm like, all right, let's do it. Nah, I'm just kidding, it was my idea. So while that is getting dry, we are going to be still cleaning this up because it's still got some glue from the tape on there. It's just taking forever because that glue, I put duct tape in there. Really good stuff, but it's super hard to take off. Hopefully, this thing could dry so we can go ahead and put that on there and show you guys how it looks. So what are you doing? Tell her I said hi. So we're gonna finally take a lunch because we're super tired. We're gonna go probably eat some tacos.
That thing you did backfire.
Oh, that Ducati looks nice. Kawasaki, oh my goodness. What I'm thinking about getting, they don't have it here, but it's basically this one, but it's a Z400, which they don't have here. That looks clean. Dude, Josue, it's a 350. Yeah. Man, it's nice. I have some nice Ninjas over here, but I am not interested in a Ninja. I'm interested on a Kawasaki Z400, which they don't have. This is the 650 version, really nice and all, but I prefer a lighter bike. Just easier for me, I think, to do tricks on and just have more fun, and a lot more cheaper too. So nice. Oh, they got a nice lineup of KTM. They're really nice too. Awesome, man. They have everything here. They look amazing. Don't have any more of them until a few more months, so man, it's kind of sucks at the moment. I guess I have to come back in a few months. All right, so let's go. finally finished the spoiler already. I got the bolts in. The only problem is I need one more. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot. Let me show you really quick. Bolts in here. I'm probably gonna go to Home Depot and get the exact same one on this side. Probably some thinner washers so it doesn't look, you know, I could even paint them so it doesn't look too bad. Got the hole in already. I just will need the other bolt in the washer. And then I just gotta put this back in, of course. But eventually what I'm gonna have to do, it's really sturdy though, by the way. Really sturdy. I like it. Just something different. Eventually what I'm gonna have to do, maybe next month or so, I'm gonna have to sand it, repaint everything. Same thing with the trunk, only because it has these holes from the lip that it was on here originally, so you guys can see that, and it's just all faded away anyway. So eventually I'm gonna have to just paint this, bondo it, paint it, and then same thing with the spoiler. But it does come off from an original is300. A friend hooked it up. We did a trade, so thank you. Tell me what you guys think. I don't plan on painting it blue, leaving it black just so it can match with the rims, but it definitely adds a little bit more of that sporty feel to it. So another walk around, see what we have right here. I like this angle better right here. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I would highly recommend it, because if I can't make videos on YouTube, it's much more easier for me to just post on Instagram. So that's about it, guys, for this video. If you do need parts for your is300, check out the description. Bye.
What is up, guys? Let's Josue Perez here.
You're not vlogging.
Bet.
Argue with you for another half an hour.
I'm gonna post it.
Another half an hour, I'm not gonna argue with you.
right.
I was right.
Hey, you guys, we're gonna do shout outs. So
We're gonna make him the.
we're gonna shout out
My mom.
my mom,
Sisters.
my sisters,
My sisters.
my sisters too,
My-
and then
My
all
best
the
friends.
best friends, his best
With
friends,
the S.
and then all of the subscribers that watch our videos.
Import Limited, bro.
Import limit on.
Clockwise is this way.
It has to be counterclockwise.
That's counters this way.
That's why counterclockwise.